Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. It is Christmas morning 2025, and I just want to say Merry Christmas to all my viewers and subscribers. And I really appreciate the people that subscribe. I appreciate the people that just view my channel. It really is a good feeling when people leave me a good comment. But I thought I'd show you how to draw this tree. So we're going to start with a polygon on three-sided. And I'm not going to hold down the control button. I'm just going to kind of conform it like that. Then I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm going to come straight down, and then I'm going to move over. And I think the more lines you do, the better. Because when we blend this object, it looks pretty cool. Almost like you trimmed out a tree. And as long as you just keep going and kind of connect the nodes, and then take the triangle away. Now, we're going to take an ellipse, holding down the control button. We're going to make it green, and we're going to take away the outline. Let's zoom in here, and I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to swipe across it, and I'm going to put a darker green on one side of it, kind of give us some contrast. Now I'm going to take this and go to the drop shadow flyout and get the distort and pick zipper, and I'm going to type in 100, and over here I'm going to type in 80. What that did is that right there. Now it looks fuzzy, but it's sharp as a tack. So now we're going to take and hit the plus key and make a second one. We're going to select both those. We're going to go to effects and blend. We're going to blend them 200 times. Now I'm going to go down here to blend on new path, put it on the path, and then blend along full path. And there you go. That looks pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and draw the star just to finish it off, because it is pretty good looking star. Just take a star tool underneath the polygon, 5-sided, hold down the control button, make it about the size you want. Get the 2-point line again and make these intersections from the longest to the shortest. I did video on this a long time ago, how to draw like a 3D looking star. Then take your Smart Fill tool and just pick whatever color you want. We're going to go orange, 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 and then we're going to change it to a, you know what, maybe a brighter orange. Yep, that looks pretty good. I'd select it and go ahead and take away the outline. It does not really matter. Control G to group it together and put it on top of your tree. Now, because it was the last thing you drew, it'll be on top of the page. So it'll be on top of that windy looking tree. Now, from a distance, it looks like a bunch of fuzzy work, but if you zoom in, it's just a bunch of hairlines. And that dark green is going this way and a light green is going this way. Pretty cool effect. And then if we put a black box around it, it'll really help it show off. Object, order, backup page. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and hope everybody had a great holiday. Thank you for watching.